Unveiling the secrets of success, from golf courses to boardrooms. In a world where high-pressure situations are the norm, maintaining clarity and composure is an art, and it's an art that extends beyond the boundaries of the golf course. Imagine, if you will, the fairway as a metaphor for life's challenges, and the boardroom as the ultimate test of your ability to navigate them with grace and precision. But here's where it gets controversial. Can the skills honed on the golf course truly translate to the complex world of business leadership? Let's delve into this intriguing question and explore the potential benefits and pitfalls of bringing golf-inspired strategies into the boardroom. The Fairway Philosophy, a beginner's guide. Golf, at its core, is a game of precision, strategy, and mental fortitude. It teaches us to focus on the present, to analyze our surroundings, and to make calculated decisions. These skills are invaluable in high-pressure situations, whether you're facing a crucial putt or a critical business decision. For instance, consider the concept of reading the green. In golf, this involves assessing the slope, grain, and other factors to determine the ideal path for your ball. Similarly, in business, reading the room is crucial. It means understanding the dynamics of a situation, the motivations of your colleagues or clients, and making strategic moves accordingly. Translating fairway strategies to the boardroom. So, how can we apply these golf-inspired principles in the boardroom? Well, it's about adopting a similar mindset of precision and strategy. Here are some key takeaways. Focus on the present. Just as golfers must concentrate on the current shot, leaders should focus on the task at hand. Avoid getting bogged down by past mistakes or future worries. Strategic decision-making. Golf teaches us to consider various factors before making a move. Similarly, in business, leaders should weigh all options, assess risks, and make informed decisions. Mental resilience. Golfers often face setbacks, but they learn to bounce back. This resilience is crucial in business, where setbacks are inevitable. The ability to stay calm, learn from mistakes, and adapt is essential. The controversial aspect: golf versus business leadership. Now, here's the part most people miss. While golf can provide valuable lessons, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for business leadership. Some argue that the skills learned on the fairway may not fully prepare leaders for the unique challenges of the boardroom. For instance, golf is an individual sport, whereas business leadership often involves managing teams and navigating complex interpersonal dynamics. Additionally, the pace and intensity of business decisions can be vastly different from the measured approach of golf. Your thoughts? So, what's your take on this? Do you think the skills honed on the golf course can truly translate to effective business leadership? Or is this an oversimplification of the complex world of business? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's spark a discussion and explore the fascinating intersection of golf and business leadership.